This is Mosh Bari. Welcome to this video. In this video, we will learn how you can make money from downloading and uploading GIF files. Some people call GIF, some people call GIF. But anyways, these are those images that are not static image nor videos. They are somewhat animated images. You know what I mean. Before we begin, I want to thank this channel, Everyday Money, for their video earn $349.29 per GIF you download. And I believe this video is an awesome video, but they have a little limitations. And that inspired me to make this video. And we want to ensure you really make $100 an hour to $200 an hour if you follow this video. So please stick to the end of the video to get all the information. If you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe, and switch on the notification bell button, as this way you get notified when we will upload our next video. And hit the share button and share this video with your friends and family through all the social media channels that you are in, as this way you become a cool person in front of them sharing awesome information, because everybody wants to make money. So let's begin. In my opinion, they did not cover 4 things that I'm going to cover in this video. They're basically the 4 rituals of the most successful people when it comes to making money online. How do I know? I run a 7-figure per year software company. Our company helps people make money online using our softwares. Some of the software's links are in the description below, and they are free for our YouTube viewers. Go get them, use them, and make money. So let us begin. In this method, you use a free website called imgur.com or imgur.com, imgur.com. They have constant 230 million monthly visitors, and most of the visitors come from US and Canada. 50% of their traffic come from Reddit. What is Reddit? It's a social media, but it's a different kind of social media. It's like a forum. There are various subreddits or sub forums for different niches or industries. You can have your own sub forum, and you can add your followers, your friends, or like-minded people, or you can join sub forums, or subreddits, and network with like-minded people. You can get customers, you can get JV partners, you can get mentors, influencers. But Reddit users visit Imgur a lot. Why they visit? During their posts and conversations, they use these GIFs, interesting GIFs. And from Reddit, visitors come back to Imgur. From Imgur, they go to Reddit, and back and forth. Now, the method this video showed is that you upload GIF files like this to your free Imgur account, and you leave your affiliate links here with the trending keyword, and your affiliate link here with the trending keyword, so people find your GIF, they use your GIF, and when they click on those GIFs, visit your GIF on Imgur, they find your affiliate link and they will buy from you. Will it work? Well, kinda. Imgur is a crowded place. When you leave your link, there is a chance that you will get clicks on your links, and definitely you will make money. As a quick proof, I can show you this example. This GIF was uploaded by a user, and you see it already got 1001 upvotes, and there are 29 comments. In one of the comments there is a link. This is a Facebook link, but it's a link, and there are 74 upvotes on that link post or that link reply, which means people are visiting this link. So if this is your affiliate link, definitely people will find it, click on it, and from those clicks you will make money. Now the question is, will you make a lot of money this way? Let me tell you the first ritual. The first ritual is you want freedom. The freedom of making GIFs and be able to upload it. So how can you make GIFs? There are softwares, online tools like veed.io. Create a free account, start a campaign, and if you want to make a GIF from any YouTube video, copy the video URL from the YouTube and paste it here, and when you hit enter, the software will import that video, and it will allow you to take any part of the video. So let's say I want to split here, remove this part, and then split here again, remove the rest, and I want this few seconds to use as GIF. Then I will export, click export video. The video will be exported. Now you see only that particular section is here, and I can download it as a GIF. I have my GIF ready. Now open with Google Chrome, and this is how my GIF file looks like. Now I have full freedom of creating GIF. I can create GIF about any topic, and I would personally make GIF about the topics that are, this is the second ritual. Do what's working now. If you go to Imgur, you will find a lots and lots of GIF files. Which one should you create? You should create the one that's working now in your industry. You should create the kind of GIF that the people you want to attract to your affiliate link are using more and more. And freedom of making your own GIF allows you to make the type of GIF the people are looking for. Then you upload it, use the trending keyword, and use your affiliate link here, and of course here, and you can of course post your affiliate link in the comment. Now the second ritual of the most successful people. No, the third ritual of the most successful people. Successful people don't want to make money for themselves. And when I started online business, I wanted to make money for myself. I tried and tried and tried. I made money, but I didn't make a lot of money. I started making a lot of money when I focused on helping others. Now, if your intention is to help others, then you will make content to help others. That will make you an authority. It will build trust among your audience and attract people towards your contents. So be it GIFs. Now the fourth ritual is pretty simple. Look at this channel, the channel that I learned how to make money using GIFs. They have 99 videos, and almost every day or every other day they're publishing new videos. Why? Look at their views. They have got total 4.4 million views, and in last 30 days they got 854,000 views. So they are successful, and because this system is working for them, they are doing it over and over and over again. So when you start using Imgur and you are getting results from this, you should do it for a long time. Do it continuously and never stop doing. Make it a system to be able to work less and get more results, but never stop. So these 4 rituals. Number 1, be free. Find your way to be free, especially when it comes to making content. If you're making videos, find your way to make videos all the time. If you're making GIF files, find your way to make free GIF quickly anytime you want. Number 2, do what's working right now. Don't do whatever you want to do. Do what other people are looking for. So do what's working. And number 3, help people to make money. So focus on helping others. When you upload GIF files on Imgur, Imgur will be helped because Imgur needs content, and Imgur needs content that attract visitors. And when you help other people, your audience, using your content, they will love you. They will come back to your content over and over again. And finally, when anything starts working for you, do it for a long time. These are the 4 rituals to be really rich. And you can make $100 per hour, $200 an hour, easy peasy. All you have to do is to take your content, go to a crowded place and use these 4 rituals. That's it. I hope you liked this video. Did you like our video? We put a lot of effort on it so you can make money online. Hit the like button, subscribe, and switch on the notification bell button, as this way you get notified when we will upload our next video. Hit the share button, share this video with your friends and family and all your social media channels so everybody else learn how to make money online. You will become a cool person in front of them. We get more connections and you will get notified when we will upload our next video, and we will see you in the next video.